Hello dear friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for coming back for another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can be able to recover your KRI pin using your national ID only. How you can be able to recover your KRI pin using your national ID only. So without wasting much time, let us get started. So for you to be able to do that, you need to go to Play Store. After going to Play Store, you need to search for KRI. You need to come here, search KRA. Your data bundles should be on. You search for KRA. After searching for KRI, you will be able to find this application called KRI M service. Then download the application and install it in your phone. After downloading and installing the KRI app in your phone, go back, open the KRI app. It will take some seconds to open depending on how fast your phone is. And after this window is opened, don't enter your ID or anything else in this page. Just go down here where it is written below login, where it is written sign up. Click sign up. Then it will ask you to enter your ID or KRI pin. So because you don't remember your KRI pin, you just enter your national ID. After entering your national ID number, then click sign up. Then it will bring this page where you are required to enter your email address, phone number, password, and confirm your password. So I'll do this very fast. So I'll select my email because it is appearing there, or you can enter it manually. Then I'll enter my phone number. Then I'll enter the password. Then after entering that, you just click proceed. After click that, then you click proceed. So after clicking proceed, you'll be able to get a pop-up that displays that KRI pin, your name, and the message. That is your KRI pin number. It is displaying there. It starts with the A01 20 the 7 22 8J. Then the name, that is George Mutembei. Then message user created successfully. Then you can proceed and log in. So in this case, you have seen that I have not entered in any place my KRI pin. I just entered my national ID number so that I can be able to retrieve the KRI pin. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if this video helped you in any way, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. God bless you.